My name is Arnaldo Brown, the Member of Parliament candidate for East Central St. Catherine. I'm inviting you to support my candidacy as I intend to concentrate on 5 main areas in my first term as the first Member of Parliament for the new constituency of East Central St. Catherine. These 5 areas are sports, housing, education, employment, and training. When you go to the polls on the 29th of December 2011, put your X beside the head, vote Arnaldo Brown, vote for the People's National Party, vote for Portia Simpson Miller so that we can put Jamaica back on a path of growth and success.